Hello everyone. Today we're going to continue our practice every day in chess. We're going to road to 1500 Elo in FIDE. Let's go to play Blitz in 3 plus 2. Okay, we have black pieces and let's play the French defense and Queen's Gambit's decline. E6. Okay, not C3. Have interesting moves. Let's play D5. E4 we're going to transpose to the French defense. So bishop f4, he played the Grobava system. Now we have a lot of system. He want to play knight b5, so I will recommend to you to play a call system with the move c6, b6, and the things to don't forget is in this position never play the move knight c6 because if you play knight c6 he's will play the move knight b5 and you have a very bad position. Now you play the move knight a6 and protect this pawn. c6, knight c3. You are going to go into c7. So we're going to your knight and don't let the bishop to takes you and double your pawn. Now you're going to play. We are going to play the move bishop d6. We want to exchange the bishop. Knight e5. Let's play the move castle. h3, we want to play h6. Maybe let's play the move c5. Knight e4 can go. f5, f6. We're going to play a very a Slav structure maybe. Bishop d3, classical development. Now maybe I want to play the move c5 because now the b5 square is controlling by the pawn, so we're going to play the move c5 in a very good conditions. One takes, we're going to take with the bishop and maybe bishop b4, h6, d4. If you were the move d4, the d5 square can comes to e. So b5 is not possible now in this position because the c6 square is too weak. So now maybe just I can just developing my pieces. Bishop d7 is possible because if he takes, I will take with the queen. So my bishop, my bad bishop, I will not. So very happy to going now a3. Now I can go for bishop b5 to exchange some good things in his position because in this position my bad pieces is the d7 pieces and the c7 pieces. Bishop b5, I want to exchange these pieces and these good pieces. Bishop d6, if he takes, I double my pawn but the a3 pawn is weak, so my rook comes to the a file. So knight takes, I active my knight. Now I can go to c3, controlling the e4 square. Lot of things that I can play. d4 is also possible. Okay, c4. Interesting moves. Takes, he will take. So let's play the move knight c3. Attacking the queen. Queen c2. I play the move b takes c4. It's possible. Bishop takes. I play knight e4. So I have a very good positions. Queen takes c3. I takes the pawn. I takes the bishop. So I'm good. Okay, so maybe bishop takes. I will play for knight e4. Knight takes c4. I take that one. And I can play for knight d5. And I have a very good position of pieces. My knight is very good in the square. I think attacking the f4 pawn. My rook is coming to c8 and get pressure in the c file. And maybe play b5. I can create a pin in the c file also. Now I just play the move rook c8, attacking the queen, playing actively, and I don't want to take immediately the pawn because I know that this pawn is weak and I can take when I want. For example, in this position, I can take it. Rook d1, I can just play the move. For example, queen b6. The d7 is controlling by the knight. Okay, now he just talking and I will just take the bishop and win the bishop in this position. So maybe next move, maybe knight e2 can go if the queen is going. Maybe rook c3, some things that I want to play. Queen g5 is possible also. Queen g5, maybe I will play this move to want to checkmate on this g2 square. And maybe the now this is very weak. I'm attacking also the h3 pawn because my queen is hanging the king. Okay, this position is maybe completely winning. So this position I want to play very actively. So I want to play the move rook c3. My knight is protecting the rook. I can also at the next move I takes the pawn on h3, g takes, knight takes, I win 2 pawn, and then I takes the knight. So this position is completely winning. So f3, he attack my knight, and maybe he's thinking that you can see that he's thinking that if I play the knight, he will take the rook. But firstly there is here. Secondly, again things for knight takes, pawn takes, and rook takes. But this position is not really clear for me. But yes, maybe I just play the move knight g3 and just play for knight e2, controlling these squares. Maybe going to queen h4 and queen g3 to get pressure on this pawn on g2. Now you can see that the black square is too weak, so and he has a piece down, a pawn down, everything is down. So this position is completely winning. King h2, knight e2. Okay, you can see that the rook, protect the rook. g3, I will just take on f3, takes, queen takes. Okay, this position is just completely winning. What I can do, okay, rook here. I want to take that one. I can protect it or I cannot protect it is the things that I want. So now here, my position I can, okay, h5 is possible firstly. So let's play this move. I want to put the queen on g3. So if he takes, I just takes. Okay, he just completely sacrificed the queen. But if he takes, I takes, queen takes, and then just pawn takes here. So queen takes. Okay, just under the queen. Just takes the queen. Okay, simple. Rook takes, pawn takes, knight. It's completely lost for him. Check. Let's put the rook on c8. I want to checkmate the c1 square. When you won, okay, just completely win. Rook c1 takes. I will take the rook. So this position, he can't do anything. So and we will win this game. And let's analyze the game. So let's click here, and it's already clicked. So we'll see our mistake in the game. So let's see. We have one mistake in this position. Okay, this is a not good decision to play rook c8. Because 9 f4 think that I can take maybe what I want, but this game is a pedagogic game. So I just want to develop my piece. 9 f4 is very possible. Okay, just takes on f4 is the good moves. Okay. That's our mistake. Not good decision, but okay. I see the pawn. But I just want to play pedagogy. And to see the game, you click here and click here to see the game. This game is very good, man. Very good. And we'll play very okay. Bishop b5. Bishop e8 is a little bit strange. Okay. Bishop b5, I very like it. Takes, knight c3, takes. That it's very normal. And just takes everything. And the position is completely winning. That's it for this game. And thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.